Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes. So guys, when you open your App Store and want to download or want to update any app on App Store and facing this type of issue that your Apple ID has been disabled in iTunes and App Store. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings first, and guys after this you need to click on Wi-Fi, and guys make sure that you have connected with proper internet connection. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected. So guys, if any VPN is connected, then guys you need to disconnect it, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys you need to open your Apple ID on your phone, and guys after this you need to click on sign in and security, and guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds for next page opening. So guys, now you can see simply you need to click on change password. So guys you need to click on it, and guys after this here you need to enter your iPhone passcode that you are using for unlocking. So guys, now you can see wait for a few seconds. So guys, here you need to enter your new password and verify your new password, and guys after this you need to click on change, and guys after this your password will be changed. So guys, after doing this, the second step is you need to click on media and purchases, and guys you need to click on view account, and guys after clicking on it you need to wait for new page opening. So guys, when new page open, then I'll tell you what you need to do. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, maybe it takes more time in your iPhone. So guys, now you can see this page of opened. So guys, simply you need to enter here your Apple ID password, and guys after writing your Apple ID password you need to click on sign in, and guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, you need to wait for next page opening. So guys, now you can see page is on loading. So guys, you need to wait for page opening. So guys, now you can see this page is open. So guys, simply you need to click on country and region. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to wait. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see page has been loading. So guys, you need to click on change country or region. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys from here you can select your own country. So guys, for example, I have selected United States, and guys after selected it you need to click on agree with terms and conditions, and guys after this you will find this type of interface. So guys, here you can add your payment method. So guys, if you want to purchase any app or any another subscription like Apple Music, so guys you need to enter here your card number and expiry date and CVV. So guys, if do not want to add your payment method, then guys you need to click on none, and guys after this you need to add your street address, city, state, zip code and phone number, and guys after this you need to click on next, and guys save your all the informations. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys you need to open your App Store, and guys after this you need to click on your main profile. Here is main profile, and guys you need to scroll down and sign out your Apple ID from here, and guys after sign out you need to sign in again, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.